Dear students of class 7, today we are going to start the exercise 5.2. The first question is simplify and express in single power notation. Single power notation, that means in the first question we can write 5 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2, 5 raised to the power 5. Then it is equals to 5 raised to the power 4 plus 2 plus 5. It is 4 plus 2, 6 plus 5, 11. And the question number second is express in single power a raised to the power 4, b raised to the power 4. Then we can use a raised to the power m multiplied by b raised to the power m is a multiplied by b whole power m. Then it is equals to a multiplied by b power m. In the question number third, simplify the following. In the question number third, we can say 5 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 6 upon 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 25. Now it can be written as 5 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 5. 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 upon 3 multiplied by 3, 5 multiplied by 5. Now 3 and 3 cancel. It is equals to 5 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power minus 2, because the 5 raised to the power 2 is in denominator. We can use a raised to the power n in denominator, then it can be converted in negative power if it becomes in numerator. Similarly, multiplied by 2 and 3 raised to the power 5 multi 3 raised to the power minus 1. Now it is equals to 5 raised to the power 3 minus 2 multiplied by 2, 3 raised to the power 5 minus 1. It is equals to 5 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 2, 3 raised to the power 4. 2 5s are 10 multiplied by 3 multiply 3, 3 multiply 3. Now 3 3 is 9, 9 9 is 81. That's why it is equals to 810. Now in the next question, write in exponential form. Exponential form, then in this question 625 multiplied by 49. Therefore it can be written as square of 25 and square of 7. Now 5 square and square 7 square, because 25 is the square of 5. Therefore it is 5 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 7 raised to the power 2, because we know that a raised to the power m and power n is power can be multiplied by each other. Now in the question number 5, we have given if 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 equals to 125, then find the value of x. Now 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 5 raised to the power 2 equals to 5 raised to the power 3, because 125 is 5 raised to the power 3. Now 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 minus 2 equals to 5 raised to the power 3, because we know that a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, which can be written as a raised to the power m minus n. Now it is equals to 5 raised to the power 2x minus 1, 5 raised to the power 3. Now 2x minus 1 equals to 3. 2x equals to 3 minus 1 can be transposed to right hand side. Then 2x equals to 4. X equals to 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now the value of x is 2. In this question number 8 of second, b raised to the power 0 multiplied by a raised to the power 4. We know very well any of number power 0 is equals to 1 multiplied by a raised to the power 4, then it is equals to a raised to the power 4. And the question number 9, 2 raised to the power 3 and power 4. We can use a raised to the power m. Power n is a raised to the power m multiplied by n. Now it can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 2 raised to the power 12. Now the question number 10 is simplify 11 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2 upon 121 multiplied by 5. Now we can write 11 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 2 minus 1, and 121 can be written as 11 square. Here we are using formula a power m upon a power n equals to a power m minus n. Now 11 raised to the power 3 minus 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power n. Now it is equals to 11 raised to the power 1, 5 raised to the power 1 equals to 11 multiplied 5 is 55. Okay dear students, you can solve the questions of exercise 5.2 according to the using of laws of exponents. Now the solution of exercise 5.3, write the following numbers in expanded form. Expanded form you can solve easily with the recall of your knowledge. 5 6 0 0 3 4 5 0 you can write in the expanded form according to question second, and you can solve question second according to question 1. The question 1 and second are opposite of each other. Now the question number 3 is write in standard form. Standard form, in the standard form we can use 10 raised to the power for notation of any of the number. The question number 3 is write in standard form. For example 2 0 2 3 4 times zeros. Then we can write 2.0 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 2 3 4 5. It can be written as 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5. You can use the same method to solve the remaining questions. Similarly, you can use the question number 4 to write in standard form. For example, the second of the radius of earth is 6,400 kilometer. 6,400 kilometer. Now we need to convert in meters also by multiplying by 1000, because 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Now we can put the point before 4 and then count the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6 meter. And the next one is question number 5. Write the following numbers in the standard form. Following numbers in the standard form 48300 4 times. We can put the decimal 83000. Now it will be equals to multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it can be written as 4.83 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6. Now question number 6 is, write the following numbers in the usual form. Then 4.85 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 7. 10 raised to the power 7, that means we can move the decimal 7 places. Count that places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is the usual form. You can solve easily these questions, and the remaining question number 7, you can solve easily in your homework. Okay dear students, thanks for watching the video. Keep watching the videos and continue your study. Thanks for watching.